Today we're going to put the top onto the table. This is a nice solid table. This is much better than the one I had before, which is good. You should always be improving. Now this should be simple, other than the fact that it's buried in monitors. There's the Sony camera. Now this should be simple, I think, because it's just a matter of putting the putting it on and then screwing it up. So we're going to use, I think we said this side is the top. Yeah, this is the side that would be the top. And then yeah. The only problem with having a nice table like this is that I'm never going to want to put anything dirty on here. So I'll have to get something cheap to cover, because I want to keep it nice for when I'm doing videos of things. You know, that's not necessarily a repair project or something like that. This may not be the right orientation. I think this is the wrong orientation. I think that sticky residue should be over there. Yeah, it's making a better fit now. So I'm going to have this come pretty much flush on the left side, because that's the side that I will always see, you know, because this is, you walk around here and you see it. So I'm going to make this side as good as possible. And whatever happens over on this side, well, I don't really care. Okay, it looks pretty good to me. It's not going to be perfect on the front because this board is warped. That's just what it is. Alright, I think we're ready to start screwing it down. Yeah, the concealed screws. That's nice. That was a good call. Well worth the extra time. Well worth it. Did I not put a screw there? Up here. Oh, that's right. I didn't do the centers. Okay. I think I'm just gonna have to go under here. That leg isn't even on the ground. Not good. We'll do something about that. Get everything leveled out. Can't get a good angle here. This is very difficult. It's harder than it would seem. It's a really awkward angle to work with. Okay, that should do it. nice. Okay. Well, there it is. The new studio table. There's a lot of good videos recorded at this table.